Hey everyone, welcome back. Ralph with IMS 3D. Today we're making a school project. We're going to go ahead and make a ruler. I'm going to show you step by step how I made my ruler real fast. You can customize it any way you want. It's a simple, easy how-to for a smaller school ruler. Mine's 300 millimeters long, just typical about foot, in inches. So we'll we'll go ahead and get started. If you please can subscribe, I appreciate it. And let's get to it. Thank you. All right, we're going to get started by making a ruler first for our school projects. First thing we're going to do is take the line tool. We'll zoom in, create a line. I'm going to click, and then after that second click there, you see it's still attached. You're going to have to hit escape. We'll go ahead and hit the select tool. With the select tool selected, that sounds funny, but that's what it is. We're going to make that 8 millimeters. We'll go ahead and select it. We're going to create an array. We're going to do 10 columns at 1 millimeter each. We'll hit OK. We're going to zoom in. This one's 8. The next 4 will be 4. This one will be 6. And the next 4 is 4 again. We'll highlight them all. We'll come up to a horizontal align top. After that, we're going to put a number in. So we're going to just select this. First number really doesn't exist, but we'll just put something there for now. Guess we'll put the highest number in for now. We'll go ahead and select that number. Select the line. Come up here to the line center. And we're just going to take that number and slide it down. Just like that. We'll go ahead and group this together. Once it's grouped together, we'll come back to array. We're going to do 31. And we're going to do it at 10 spacing. We'll go ahead and hit OK. We'll zoom out, all the way out. We'll select that. We're just going to group it together for a moment so I can move it. This way it kind of snaps right there. And you can see that it's lined up every 10 millimeters or every millimeter. And if you look at the top, we start at 0. And we kind of want to stop it right here. So we're going to ungroup it. Select, ungroup this little batch. And we're going to delete that section right there. This is where the ruler ends. This is where it begins. Just make sure everything's ungrouped. We're going to start by doing the tedious part, which is changing the numbers. That one's 0, it doesn't have to be there. And we'll start here and we'll go ahead and change all the numbers. There, now that we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and highlight it all again. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it all, group it back together. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste. I'm going to remove all the numbers, so I'm going to ungroup it. Highlight the numbers, delete them. Take our ruler part, go ahead and flip it over, and we're going to move it into position. There we got a basic ruler right here. I'm just going to group it together for now. Move it to page center. Should be 305 millimeters. Let's just move it into position. And there we have it, a basic ruler. All right, so if you want to get a little fancy with it, let's go ahead and remove the box around it. We'll go ahead and give it a little more space. Ungroup it. Grab the bottom. We'll space it out a little bit. Take the numbers. Ungroup the top part. Take the numbers. Not sure why I'm not highlighting it. Copy, paste them. Group it together. Put in place. And we could add a design into the middle here if we want. Or you could put your name. I mean, want to engrave your name. We'll go ahead and group that. Take that. Select that. Center it. Square it up. Take the line. Take the ruler, center. There you have it. All right, so here's the final design of this one real fast. We'll go ahead and send it to the laser and we'll engrave it and cut it, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you on the next video.